how do these people live here if the water was bad?
Well, it was in like 1920, Mom. 1920.
So
Slight left onto Mock Square.
tell us the story. Who knows the story of this place? When did they build it?
They built it in 1910 and 1920. Then they found out the water was contaminated, so they left.
I didn't hear anything about the water being contaminated.
Yeah, I saw it on the website.
What website?
Slight left onto Mock Square extension. Destination.
We made it.
I don't know.
Lead us.
I swear to God, if that's it, and they're not letting us through.
This is it.
There's a big ass sheep or a cow or something up there.
No, that was
What is that?
That said the pig.
That's a sheep.
Is that a pig or am I like?
You're tripping. That's a sheep.
No.
Nah, that might be a pig.
Should I get
Oh my God, it might be a pig. Yes.
No, is that a pig
Mom.
or is it a sheep?
The sign that says private property, no trespassing. That was the town.
That was a
village.
pig.
That said, it said.
You could drive
Yellow
around the damn
Dog
chain.
Village.
That is a pig.
Does that say Jesus is welcome here?
Yeah.
Girls, that is a Bando pig.
That is a pig. There's another one! Oh my God.
Get your phone.
That's a dog.
Wait, no.
Is that a dog? Yeah.
No, that's like a goat or something.
What is that? It's a sheep. They're both sheep.
There was a bunch of horses up here.
Go to the other side. There was more than one part to it.
No, Mom, in all the photos.
What are those things?
Shady
This is
Side
clearly
Village.
it.
Welcome.
Doppelgangers.
Watch out and get attacked by someone's pig.
I don't want to get attacked by
But I
someone's
see
pig.
male.
Ew, what's that smell?
Probably pig.
No,
You don't see the pig here?
That's our
You
break.
have arrived.
Oh, that's a... What are those things?
No, I think it's horses.
Doppelganger, bro. It's a skinwalker.
Why don't we? Guys, in
So,
the photo,
today's
there was
5
a bunch of
babies and-
horses.
Today's 5 babies on a Bando. Maybe a bust. I don't know. I think I may send the girls in to run through
Yes.
one quick. But like, I would totally be for
There's
it.
a
if
car
it's
up there. I think someone lives there. Let me go. I just need to see what those animals are. You don't see that newer car up there? Might be this person's property up there.
That's a church, but not. Oh my gosh, that's parked at a church!
Oh my God.
That's outrageous!
Did you see the flag? Do you see the flag all over the roof?
Oh my gosh, this is a church. America.
It's not a damn church.
Yes, it is.
Oh my God.
Now that is cool.
And right over here to the left, there was like a little creep shack down a little hill. Like, go real slow and look. Not there. Apparently. Oh, it's right here. You see that? Little creep shack. Ooh.